Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try a beauty hack that I found on YouTube actually, and I wanted to see if it actually really does work. So in this beauty hack, what you do is you moisturize your face, then after that you apply translucent powder, then you spray your face, and then you apply a primer, and then you carry on with your makeup routine. So I just wanted to find out if this is really great. The person that I found is, I'm trying to think what, Jordan Liberty. That's the person I found, and they said that there's no need for baking. So I'm going to follow along with his instructions, and then I will let you know if it actually does work. So let's get started. So if you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below, and for my returning subscribers, hey family, welcome back. And I have nothing else to say, but let's get started, and I will see you next time. So I just quickly did my brows off camera because it started to look very weird for me. So anyways, let's get started in this. So the first step that he says you should do is moisturize. So this is my moisturizer, no judgments. Okay, so the face is moisturized. And also, I'm sure you guys realize that my hair is short. Just trying to show you guys. So that is for me a generous amount. He said like a small amount. So now we're going in with with setting spray. This is my Makeup Revolution oil control fixing spray. So now I'm going to apply my primer. So I'm currently using I'm going to start off with foundation. I feel like it's just great, the best way to try it out. He says that it's very like skin-like, smooth, like blurs, but my skin does like look amazing. My foundation that I'm using today, and I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm not even gonna lie, like it looks really good. My skin looks really soft. I'm just applying my concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait. So I'm just gonna wait for my concealer to set a bit. So we're gonna wait a good like 1 minute. So I'm gonna go in with my baby beauty sponge and pound everything out. So I'm gonna quickly finish off my face off camera, and then I'll come back on camera and give you my tea on if this beauty hack works. So I am back and I finished off my makeup. So this hack, guys, it is absolutely amazing. Like, my skin looks amazing. Like, the way you're seeing it on camera is exactly what it looks like. It looks flawless. It gives me like my skin is cooperating with me. There's no texture, no nothing. Like, I love this hack. And I'm gonna definitely put down all the information for the original video down below so that you can check it out yourself. And I have nothing else to say, but I'm gorgeous. I don't know what you guys are gonna do with me anymore. I just don't know. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe down below, and please be sure to see me next week. And I'm Nathanie, and I'm signing out, and I love you. I'll see you next time.